The training today was actually lovely. It was good. It was nice, simple and precise. So it was straight to the point, and I kind of got like a clearer view of what I'm expected to do in order to get what I would like to get from the business itself when I start. The thought for starting a recruitment agency is just to have more flexibility. I had a year off and I kind of dreaded going back to work because I thought, oh, that freedom of being able to do stuff, because I have a child as well, and knowing how much I've bonded with him throughout the year. I feel like he's 7-year-old, but the year allowed me to kind of do the whole year with him, the whole 7 years that I've missed that. I realized how much time I have been absent while working, trying to be there for him financially, but not actually physically. So with the dread of going back to work, I thought to myself, I need to do something that would be more flexible for me to do at home, and I can run and then learn how to do my own thing and kind of get a business running as well, because business has been booming since COVID, so why not be part of those making it? It would be perfect to start this business. Anybody, everybody, it should be doing the business for themselves, because it's a platform that allows you to, whatever your needs are, if it be it, financial freedom, working from home, running your own business, owning something that's yours that can go along for a long time, or you could use it as a family, whatever your plan is. Anybody, I guess, can do it. That's what I think should be in the business. Yeah. From this training today, I do feel more. It makes more sense, a bit more like I've seen the templates, the formats, and the step in what to do, and it's quite, basically what it says in the can. So if I do what I need to do, and it's just straightforward. It's very simple. It's not so complicated, and it makes me feel more confident that I can go back and start baby steps to build up this thing, because everything in the beginning is a bit muddled up and it's a bit confusing, but it makes me feel confident to just go and start step by step. I'll just take what I've done in the training and keep doing that every day, or spend as much time as I can, precise days, to make sure that I keep those steps. I feel confident that if I do that, I probably will start bringing results. Yeah. Joe as a mentor, definitely. I mean, he's one of a kind, I would say, because I've gone to lots of kind of trainings and workshops, and very approachable. I feel like I can resonate with him. He's just another person who you can talk to, besides his really amazing skills and experience in what he's doing. So he makes it comfortable for you, and I mean, the atmosphere, the aesthetics of just feeling like you're talking to a fellow friend who's advising on how to make money or run your business. So he's very approachable, I must say. And that's what I got sold off. Funny enough, my friend recommended me from a conversation to come here, and I thought, oh, let me just, I just thought it's one of those, oh, let's come to the workshop, let's see how it goes. And I was sold off at that, and then I'm here again. I'm back to start the business, definitely, yeah. I mean, Joe actually kind of gives you that kind of hope. It's realistic. It tells you if you don't work, you won't get the result, which is with anything. If you're not doing the work the right way and you're not putting the time and effort, he did say it's not going to happen overnight. Give it a window, do your work, and I was sold off at the first start.